Natural attitude of society towards gender. Here, Kessler and McKenna used this concept, natural attitude of society towards gender. And this particular concept is used in the ethnomethodology, but Kessler and McKenna used this concept for understanding the social construction of gender. And this particular reality, that is natural attitude of society towards gender, this is not just a concept, it is a reality in the society, and this particular reality is the fundamental aspect of gender. This particular reality is the fundamental aspect of the social construction of gender. This natural attitude of the society is so important that its existence, its prevalence, determines the society's perception towards men and women, society's interpretation of behavior as man gender and woman gender. So this natural attitude of the society towards gender is very important. If natural attitude changes, that means society changes, or society's perception towards gender construction is changing, or society's perception towards gender categorization is changing. But if natural attitude is completely biased towards binary gender, that means there is no scope for the diversion, there is no scope for uh, fluidity. So what is this natural attitude of society towards gender? Simply I will mention some points, but in next video I will continue this discussion. That is, I will continue discussion on the natural attitude of society towards gender. Now, what does it mean? It means that society believes that gender is something naturally given, and people in the society perceives gender as something naturally given. That is, you can't think beyond this stipulated gender model, stipulated gender role, or gender framework. It's a kind of system, and you cannot cross this system, you cannot break this system. People believes that the social behavior of the person as man is something which is natural, which is naturally given. It is something which is as usual. It is something usual. If anyone who does something beyond the framework, beyond this normative system, then it becomes unusual. That is, everyone will consider it as something abnormal, unusual. So natural attitude is there towards the binary gender model, binary gender system, binary gender categorization. And due to this natural attitude of the society towards gender, it becomes impossible to break the normative system. It becomes impossible for the society to accept any kind of gender fluidity, any kind of sexual fluidity, any kind of gender, any kind of gender role that goes beyond man and woman categories. So this will be continued in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much for watching.